Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see Sonic Racing Crossworlds Beginner Guide. Crossworlds, it's a kart-style racer by Sega with a world-hopping mechanic. Mid-race, you go through travel rings that wrap you into different track segments like land, water, or air before returning. Lots of characters like machines, gadgets, and custom loadouts that affect speed, handling drift, and boosts. Some tips: always perfect start boosts. At the race start, hold acceleration until the start boost needle hits the green zone. Timing matters a lot. Also drift through turns to build boost. Pay attention to apexes and when let go. Also use drift events in surprising places like shallow water for extra benefits. The turning assist helps control but reduces your freedom and ability to take shortcuts. Try without it for better control once you're more comfortable. Also, gadgets can change races. You get bonuses like better start, extra rings, defensive items, etc. Explore gadgets loadouts and upgrade them often. And finally, rings boost performance. Hitting walls or obstacles cost you rings. Use items or gadgets that protect ring count or reduce penalty. Supersonic speed class unlocks after all defeating rivals in Grand Prix events. Give you one of the fastest classes available. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.